Hello, my name is Eric Scott. I am the Chief Innovation Officer here at AguaPress, and today I'll be discussing our new solar-powered water pumps that attach to tinacos to increase water pressure in buildings and homes in Mexico. So, agua fuerte, vida mejor, stronger water, better life. The average PSI, or pound per square inch, in homes with tinacos in Mexico unable to flush is around 20 to 30 PSI. If you compare it to the average American home of 65 psi, the pressure isn't going to be enough to move certain objects through inadequate infrastructure. A lot of residents collect toilet paper in bins instead of flushing it because of this low pressure. Our solar-powered water pumps from the Tinaco into the main dwelling will provide enough pressure throughout the building to enable toilet paper to reach the sewage systems without clogging. Here we have a picture of a tinaco, which are on the roofs of homes and buildings in Mexico, and it's just a water storage unit that the actual pump will attach to. The power is in your hands. We want to enable people in buildings and homes in Mexico to have the ability to safely flush toilet paper by delivering consistent high-pressure water flow through affordable pressure and plumbing optimization solutions. This unique technology allows for energy to be stored efficiently in a small battery pack that can be customized depending on the customer. This pump on the Tinaco will maintain constant pressure despite fluctuations with the supply. This sets us apart from the competition as their products regress when municipal water trickles from the source or electricity drops due to weather conditions. Furthermore, the usual pressure Tinacos provide clearly aren't enough to push through to the sewer, so we want to fill that need for the customer. People will no longer have to collect used toilet paper in bathrooms, causing unsanitary conditions, putrid smells, and the possible spread of disease. Improving quality of life through hygiene is a benefit everyone can enjoy. Powering water, empowering people. Our product is specifically designed for those residents that choose not to flush due to the fear of costly maintenance on plumbing, or those who want to pay to connect to the main sewage line but lack the adequate pressure for the water to safely reach it. Our target audience is going to be those living in or around cities or tourist spots that have the infrastructure to withstand the added volume in the tunnel system. Families living in homes that already have tinacos in use are the initial targets, as analysis from research shows about 60% of homes do not actively flush toilet paper. Millions of homes currently use tinacos but operate at lower pressure. This is the segment of the market we want to address. No one is creating solutions to boost pressure from tinaco gravity design systems, just carrying on with the current status quo. Generic pumps aren't built for this outcome. We want to answer the question an innocent child might ask their parents: why can't we flush the toilet like at my friend's house? Stronger pressure, smarter choice. Once the word of the innovation gets out, we believe our main competition will be directly from hardware manufacturers for booster pumps and customized pressure boosting systems for the entire home. Booster pump manufacturers are a brand name and more recognizable, giving people a feeling of comfort and reliability. However, these pumps run off electricity and can escalate energy use and cost. High maintenance fees would also be associated with pumps tailored to different types of tinacos. Furthermore, while whole home pressure systems are also reliable, they are not designed for a single purpose like improving the flush force of a toilet. Many residents have no complaints about the pressure of water in showers or faucets. Being the first in something is only good if the value is there, and improving everyday hygiene for the masses is our competitive edge. Simple dignity and comfort in a home or guest setting is something everyone should enjoy. Pressure that pays off. So I'm going to introduce an introductory sort of outlook on to our projected revenue streams. Our main cost drivers will be the solar panel, assembly, labor, and the pump itself. We expect to sell the units at an average of $227 US. This is broken down. This is already been translated into US dollars from pesos. Offering payment plans over 3 years will alleviate some of the costs upfront for patrons, and expected revenue is $757,000 in year 1 to $24.3 in year 5 after growth and expansion with the product. Fueling pressure, powering progress. We estimate that with product development and manufacturing and marketing, that the total estimate will come to around $815,000 on the high end for initial funding into our innovation. Our funding approach will first be through crowdfunding, such as Kickstarter, to develop and validate demand after we have a proven product concept. Once that is established, we then aim to target investors with hardware experience and Mexican developers that specialize in solar. This way, we can form a partnership for some of the manpower and materials needed to install each unit. Upgrade your life, no pressure. Our main mission is to install pumps that increase water pressure so that more people are able to flush toilet paper, avoiding collecting in trash bins and possibly contaminating the space around them. A specific, thorough call to action to the local government and municipalities is that we are seeking to co-develop a new technology that allows our solar-powered Tanako pumps to increase the water pressure in homes, buildings, and schools. Our partnership on the project will validate how low-cost, effective development to water pressure can reduce sewage blockages, improve sanitation, and provide upgrades to the quality of life for all. We are currently doing field interviews and collecting data to educate the population of this technology and validate the demands for its use. Our next move after field analysis will be to conduct the initial tests from the prototypes and begin developing more units after that. If everything goes well, we can begin manufacturing products within the next 15 months. At the end of the day, this isn't just about stronger water pressure. It's more about dignity, comfort, and the quality of life for millions of people in Mexico who deserve a better modern home experience. Our technology transforms an everyday frustration into a reliable, effortless solution.